It's a fully indigenous company. That means head to toe. It's all Nigerians. We've actually been around for quite some time, about 30 years in the Nigerian oil and gas industry. Started out as a construction company, purely construction, and then gradually stepped up to EPC and turnkey projects. We operate in the EPCIC space together with our 2 subsidiaries. We have up to 6 subsidiaries, but on the EPCIC space, we operate with 1 or 2 of our subsidiaries. Frazinet, that is focused on engineering, from the conceptual studies, FEED, DED, down to consultancy and all that. And then Crown Energy. Crown Energy is basically an asset integrity company that is into inspections majorly. We have put together a fully well-resourced team, and that has grown organically, like I mentioned, over the 30 years of our operations in the Nigerian oil and gas sector. And having put that together, we are able to put forward a joint value proposition. These are the array of services that we render in the industry, from EPC to emergency leak repairs or emergency rehabilitation of existing assets, down to the engineering aspect, the 3D laser scanning, project development, project management and design, then to specialized services that can go as a standalone in our bouquet of services, talking about the AGD, AUT, O&M, asset integrity services. Because of our interactions with foreign OEMs in delivering EPC projects, we can also do OEM solutions as a standalone, but our key drive is turnkey, taking everything from conceptual studies down to construction, commissioning, and handover to our respective clients. In recent times, we also have been able to offer LPG, LNG, CNG, and power solutions. We've built a few power plants by ourselves. And of course, we can also do process utility packages as a standalone. The focus is to deliver a one-stop solution, utilizing our joint capacities and capabilities. And the intent is to enable you achieve your EPC corporate objectives. We see ourselves as playing a major role in supporting the local content initiative. And it's along 3 lines. First, pioneering indigenous leadership. And in that respect, it's good to mention that we have put to rest 19 major projects of 933 kilometers installed pipeline. That's done and dusted. 76 projects of pipeline leak repairs, done and dusted. 28 above ground facilities, 18 AGDs executed across river crossings, River Niger as one of them. 84 horizontal transporting activities done independently and also as part of our project delivery over road, rail, and other obstacles. We have also been able to do and are currently executing an O&M scope for the Ihovo metering station supplying the power plant in Ihovo. And of course, we're involved in the Ogoni remediation, working for our client Hypre. So these are some of the firsts we have registered in terms of pioneering indigenous leadership. Talking about capacity building, we are an Uptown Pioneer Founding member, and in the light of that, we have done a lot of trainings of Nigerians, through our graduate trainee program and technical training program, and this we have been on since 2008. Hundreds of graduates have passed through us. About 70% of them generally end up with us. About 30% released to the open industry to be useful in other companies. The good thing about our technical training program is that we are now trying to metamorphosize a part of it to turn into a training institute, a standard training institute. And our intention in doing that is basically to churn out good welders and fitters, okay, for our operations and for the industry at large. And then in terms of best practice, is basically to show some projects we have done and handed over and are all functioning well. And for the caliber of clients we have done it for, on top of the NNPC, the SPDC, Total Energies, and Ondo Group, these are basically clients that won't take or subscribe to any project done without mirroring best practice. So you have the OB3 project, a 48 inches by 67 kilometer pipeline with a 2 billion scope gas treatment facility done by us on EPC. We have a construction of an 18 inches by 128 kilometer gas pipeline done for EHGC. They're about handed over there about 2012. We have GasLink. The project you're seeing on the screen is a 12 inches by 8.2 kilometers. It forms a part and parcel of a network of distribution lines built around Lagos, accumulating up to about 200 kilometers in all, both for GasLink and other clients within the Lagos metropolis. And then a whole number of others. We did a lot for Shell, 36 inches TNP, manifold at Ogali, that should be Shell's largest manifold in West Africa, was done by us from start to finish, and a whole lot of other projects. The bottom line is that if these projects are being done by us, that means Nigeria and Nigerians are retaining value, and that's a Nigerian content thing.
Thank you.
In terms of closing remarks, I'll just say to remain 100%, our aspiration is better to remain 100% focused on supporting the local content initiative, to remain resolute on being at the forefront of the Nigerian economic and energy transformation. And my call to action is for everybody in the room to say, let's all collaborate to deliver an efficient, sustainable, and rich Nigerian content oil and gas sector solution. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.